What's up guys, it's Guy here. You know I have been using my Samsung phones for a little while now. And here's the truth. Samsung puts a lot of effort into bringing a lot of new features for us to use. So today I'm showing you 5 features that it is already in your phone that you might not even know about it. So this one is called Object Eraser, and it is insane. Here's how it works. Open your gallery app, pick any photo. You could either tap the edit or the generative button just beside it. Your phone will use AI to detect every object in the photo. You tap what you want to remove, it highlights it, you tap to erase it. And Samsung fills in the background like that object was never there. If this video helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. So now feature number 2. This one will save you a lot of time. For every time someone comes to your house and asks for the Wi-Fi password. You know that moment. Someone comes to your house, they ask for the Wi-Fi password. And you either have to remember it or you go dig through your router settings like it's like 2009. Samsung has a better way. Go to settings, tap connections, tap your Wi-Fi, tap network, and then tap you to get the QR code icon. Your guest opens their camera, points at your screen, and they are connected. This one changed how I use my phone every single day. It's called back tap. So what we need to do is go to the Good Luck app and open Registar. Once you are into the Registar app, you can see there's an option, back tap. Open it and you can see there's 2 options, double tap or triple tap. Open each one, you can see that you have multiple options to select it from. I have double tap set to take a screenshot and triple tap to open my camera. This one is one of those features that once you set it up, you use it without thinking about it. Okay, this one is a little bit more technical, but stay with me because it makes your phone feel like a completely different device. By default, Samsung adds small animations every time you open an app, switch between screens, or go back to your home screen. Those animations look nice, but they also make everything feel just a little bit slow, and we are going to fix that. Now go back to settings. You will see the developer options at the bottom of it. Tap it, scroll down until you see the 3 settings: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. All 3 are set to 1x by default. Change all 3 to 0.5x. Everything is faster, snappier, more responsive. This is the first thing I do on every Samsung phone I own. Okay, I saved the best for last. It's called Samsung DeX. DeX turns your Samsung phone into a desktop computer. You plug your phone into a monitor using a USB-C cable or a wireless connection, and your phone transforms into a full desktop experience. You get a taskbar, a desktop, a resizable window, and a proper keyboard and mouse experience. Think about that for a second. The phone that it is in your pockets is already a computer. DeX works on S series and Z series. So there you have it. 5 features that I bet you didn't know about it. Object Eraser, Wi-Fi QR code, fast animations, even Samsung DeX. None of this requires a new phone. They're just there ready for you to use it. And if you want more Samsung content, remember to follow me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.